Okay, I was cut off there because I'd gone over 15 minutes, and that's what Screencast-O-Matic does. So let's continue talking about our characters, and I'll finish this up with part 2 of this screencast for today. All of these guys were basically teen heartthrobs back in the 80s. When we watch the video at the end of the movie, or I'll give you a link to watch the video maybe at the end of the movie, or at the end of the book, I don't know, the girls tend to really like these guys. Okay, continuing on. This is Madras Plaid. The characters in the book are often distinguished from each other by how they dress. The greasers tend to wear jeans and white t-shirts and leather jackets, whereas the Socs dress in Madras, right? And this is how a Madras Plaid looks on a pair of shorts. Here is more greaser-oriented clothes. Like I said, leather jacket, white t-shirt, pair of jeans, smoking a cigarette. Probably didn't wear sunglasses so much back in the actual 60s. This is more of a stereotypical present-day version of a greaser. The beginning of the book, we have a scene that takes place in a drive-in movie theater. If you're not familiar with what a drive-in is, this is how it looked. You drove into a big open area in your car and watched on a giant screen. Significant events in the book take place in a drive-in. Here's another shot of a drive-in showing the speaker that you kind of hang on your window there, right? The rest of this presentation, which is available to you, kind of give you summaries for each chapter of the book, chapter 1 through so on, and that's about it. So, for today, you are doing chapters 1 and 2. Do the anticipation survey first. You'll have a link to that on Google Classroom. You're also required to do the reader response slides. Before you start reading, you can do that pre-reading activity that I sent to you, but that's mostly just for you to browse and give you the context of the book. So, that is it for today. I hope you enjoy The Outsiders. Stay happy, stay safe. Bye-bye.